Book Like a Boss tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Book Like a Boss. Book Like a Boss is a scheduling and booking platform that is perfect for either freelancers or business teams. With this platform, you'll be able to create a booking page that persons will be able to use to book your services and so much more. To get started, you're going to go onto blamb.co. So that's the abbreviation for booklikeaboss.co, and you're going to tap on Start 14-Day Trial. After tapping on Start 14-Day Trial, from there you will be prompted to sign up. Once you have done that, you can select your industry from this section. So let's say, for example, I were to select consulting. So let me see if they have consulting right here. So I'll scroll down. They don't have consulting, unfortunately. So I'm just going to be selecting a random industry. Let's say we were to select automotive. Then we'll tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to start setting up your schedule. So just give it a few seconds for it to load up. Here you can start setting up your schedule. So you can scroll down and you can add in time. So you can tap on Monday, for instance, and you can select the hours that you'll be available. So you can change the hours. So let's say, for example, we'll start working at 10. So I could select 10 right here, 10 a.m. and we'll work from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So I'm going to be selecting 4 p.m. So you can see it right there. So you'll select 4 p.m. and then you could add a day for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whichever days you normally work. Then you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, from there you could choose to connect a calendar if you want, or you could tap on skip. After tapping on skip, you can see we have set up your first appointment. So you'll see a sample appointment. If we were to tap right here to copy it and open a new tab, you'll see how it looks. So let's do that real quick. So you can see how a sample appointment will look with Book Like a Boss. So they'll be able to select the time that they like to book us. Then they'll enter their full name, email address, and they'll be able to book our services. Now, to further edit this, we're going to go back. Now, once on your dashboard, I want you to tap on Booking Pages from the top navigation bar. Then from there, you're going to tap on Products and Services. After selecting Products and Services, you can tap on New Service, and you can add in the service, or you could add physical product, digital product, membership, or whichever one of these options you want. So let's say, for example, I'll be offering a service. I'll select service and I'll just be calling this service consulting. So I'll type that in right here. After doing that, you could add a description. Then you can set the price that you will charge. So let's say $12, and you can select the payment online or offline or both. Then you'll scroll down and you can also select the date and time selection. Then you can add in the duration. So let's say, for example, the duration will be 35 minutes. I'll select 35 minutes. Then I'm going to tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you can see that we have created our first service. Some other things that you can do by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on profile details. After selecting profile details, you can customize your profile, as you can see right there. You could add in your address and so on. You can also tap on custom fields. If you'd like to add new custom field, you can do that. You can also tap on reminders, and from there you could tap on new reminder, and you can see you can set up email reminders, SMS reminders, whichever one of these options. So you can see, let's say we were to set up an email reminder. How long before a booking should a reminder go off? And let's say, for example, the reminder will go off 1 day before. And you can tap on send to client, or you could choose to send it to yourself, and you're going to tap on save. After you have done that, if you would like to add a reminder for follow-ups, you can also set up automated follow-ups, and you can tap on new follow-up. So let's say, for example, you created this service as a dentist or whichever field, and persons will need to get a re-up every month. You can set it up so they'll be getting a follow-up notification every month. You could select every month, then you will tap on save. So that's one way how you could do it. You can also tap on gallery, and if there's any images or video related to your service that you like to upload, you can add it right here. You could add a cover photo if you want. You can also tap on customization, and you can see that you can set up an about me section and so much more, as you can see right there. You could also tap on testimonials, and testimonials will be automatically added. If you would like to create an FAQ section, you'll be able to do that also. You could tap on FAQ. Then from there we could untick global, and you could tap on new FAQ, and you could create your FAQ section right there. You can also tap on social and SEO, and from here you'll be able to add an image, as you can see right there, to use for your image for when you're sharing on social networks. You can do that right there. Once you're finished setting it up, all you'll need to do now, we could tap on services once more from the top navigation bar, and you could add more services. You could tap on new. I could view the service, so I could tap on full right here, and you can see how the service looks. So this is how it looks at the moment. Now once you are set up your service, you can tap on booking pages once more. Then from there we're going to tap on appointments. After tapping on appointments, from here you could create a new appointment page. So you could tap on new appointment, and you could give it a title. So let's say we were to call it test. Then you could scroll down and you could select the duration. Then you will tap on save. After you have tapped on save, from there you can see how it looks at the moment, and you can scroll down and you can further edit it. If you would like to add in a particular URL that you'd like to redirect persons to, you can tap on redirect URL, and you'll be able to do that if you want. So that's how you'll be able to set up an appointment page. Now after you have created your appointment page, what you can do next is you could tap on booking pages. Then from there, if you like to set up events, you can tap on events right there, and you can create a new event if you want. You can also tap on custom pages, and from here you'll be able to create a new custom page. You can give the page, I'll just call it test, then we'll tap on save. The next thing I want you to do is tap on settings from the top navigation bar. After tapping on settings, you're going to tap on payment settings. Then you're going to connect Stripe, and you can also connect Square, and you can see the different platforms that you can connect. You can also connect your PayPal, as you can see right there. So these are the different payment gateways that you'll be able to offer your customers. Another thing you can do, if you were to tap on settings once more, from here you could select customization, and you can see different customization options that you have. So the different text that you could change, button text that you could change, as you can see right there. You can use those. If we were to tap on settings once more and tap on FAQ, from here you could create a general FAQ if you want, that would be used for all of the different services. You can also create coupons that you can offer. So you could tap on coupons, and from there you could tap on new coupon. Once you're finished doing that, if you were to tap on view your page in the top right hand corner, persons can either choose to book your service or book me for consulting, as you can see right there. So if they were to tap on consulting, for example, they can scroll down and select the time and date. Then from there they'll enter their full name, email address, and they'll be able to pay once they've connected the payment gateway. So that's basically how to use Book Like a Boss. If you would like to create a manual booking, you can do that by tapping on create booking. Then from there you can select the service that you would like to book someone for. Then you'll tap on proceed. After you have tapped on proceed, you can select the time and date that you would like to book the service for the person, and you can enter in their information. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.